Hey you guys, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So I know y'all are looking and y'all like how my hair look, right? I know y'all do. I know that's what y'all thinking. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this beautiful and bomb twist out using GROVEDA hair solutions, their aloe rose collection, then just stay tuned, keep watching this video, and you're going to see exactly how I achieved it. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so for this twist out that I'll be doing today, I'm going to be using the Aloe Rose Bentonite Clay Souffle and the Aloe Rose Curl Elastic Brulee by GROVEDA Hair Solutions to style and moisturize my hair. And I'm also going to use those small perm rods I just showed you. So the first thing you see me doing right now is dividing the back section of my hair. And I'm going to pin the top half up, split the back half in half, and then I'm going to get started on my first twist. So as with any style, the first thing I'm going to do is saturate this section of hair with water to, prepare the moisture process. And I'm also going to go in and detangle to make sure there's no tangles. And I'm going to take the Bentonite Clay Souffle from the Aloe Rose collection by GROVEDA Hair Solutions. And I'm going to apply a nice little amount of that and work that into my hair. Now I'm going to take the Aloe Rose Curl Elastic Brulee and apply some of that to my hair. I have a review up of both of these products on my channel already. So if you would like to see a full review, I will link that up above and down below. But now you see me applying my oil after I work that product in. If you've seen any of my videos, you know sealing in my moisture is an important step for me. So I always make sure to do that. And then lastly, I'm going to go in with my paddle brush just one last time. And I'm going to start to twist. And as you can see, I'm twisting very tightly. And as I go down each twist, I'm going to take a rat tail comb just to make sure it's very smooth. And after applying a little bit more product, as you've seen, I am now starting to apply my perm rod to the end of my twist. And this right here is how my first twist looked after I finished. So now I'm just going to show y'all a couple more twists as I go along the rest of my hair. So right here on the side, as you can see, I split that into two sections. So it's going to be two sections on this side, and I'm going to do the other side that way. As you can see right here, again, I am twisting tightly. That's another way to get really good definition other than detangling while you're doing it is to twist tightly. And also, I did want to mention, while doing this, I did wind my perm rods up quite a bit so I could have a nice curl at the end. You will see the results at the end, but that's why I put, the perm rods so far up. Okay, y'all, so this is just a couple hours after the last clip you saw, and this is my hair.
I have a total of 9 twists, and this is so many more twists than I had the last time. The last 2 times I did this style. It's literally been over a year since I last did it, but it's so many more twists, but it just felt like I needed more. Usually I only have about 6 twists. I know it's just 3 more twists than usual, but it's still more. Like, I don't know. My biggest twist is this one in the front. I really hope the size of these and how many I have don't make a difference, because I loved my previous results. If you're interested, I will link my previous twist out tutorial up above, and I will link both of them, and I actually have a video of me preserving my twist out. I will link all that down below as well, but I'm excited to see my results. I may keep this in all day tomorrow and take it out the next day. It's Monday night right now, so I may keep it in all of Tuesday and then take it out Wednesday. We will see.
But yeah, and my hair feels super moisturized thanks to GROVEDA. They keep me looking right. All my information will be down below for them, and my discount code, because if y'all didn't know, I'm a brand ambassador, so all of that information will be down below. Okay, y'all, so this is how my dry twists look. I think it's important to mention the last clip you saw of me doing my hair was from a week ago. I have had a heck of a week. I got really sick and I wasn't able to take my twist out, so my results wasn't a fail, but it was a fail compared to what it could have been. So I wanted to redo it. So these are not the twists you saw me do in the previous clips, but you know, it's still the same twist out, same amount. The only difference is, instead of doing 1, 2, 3 up here, I just did 1, 2, 3. You'll see what I mean.
So I still got one, 2 on the back, these 2 on the side, then these 2, this one in the front, but in the middle I have this one and this one. That's the only difference. As you can see, my hair still looks good.
But yes, this is my twist. So you'll see me in a second to take these out. Okay, y'all, so after beating my face, I'm going to, as y'all see, take some oil and just start to take out these perm rods. And I just apply some oil to eliminate the possibility of frizz. And as you can see, I was thoroughly impressed and very happy with my definition so far. It came out very pretty and I really do like it. Also, if you made it this far into the video, please comment down below and let me know if y'all would want a tutorial on this makeup look that I have. It came out very pretty. Initially, it was meant to be a Valentine's Day makeup look, but you know, I didn't upload it on Valentine's Day. My time management skills suck. But yes, as you can see, that's how my hair looked after taking out all the perm rods. And right here, you just see me unraveling my twist, and basically how I do it is I slightly unwind it and I'll start separating it. Just as you see, it's very easy. It's easier to see than it is for me to explain. But yeah, here it goes. As you can see, I had really bomb definition. My hair is shiny, and it just looks really good, hydrated and moisturized, and very defined. Once again, those GROVEDA hair solution aloe rose collection products definitely worked well in my hair. And this is how my hair looked after all of the twists were taken down. And now I'm finna get to separating. So to actually start separating my hair, I'm going to take this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. And as you can see, this is how I separate. I just separate it kind of where it naturally separates, and then some of them, you know, I just pulled it apart. And every time I get to the end of my hair, I guess, I just twirl it around my ends. And with this serum, it just works really well with my hair. It glides on my hair really well. I really do like it. It just works well for separating. If oil doesn't work well for you, I highly recommend this or any other serum. But yeah, this right here is how I separate. And now I'm just going to let y'all see me separate a couple other pieces. But I follow the same technique all over my hair. And this right here is my hair after fully separating it. As you can see, it came out very, very pretty. But now, you know, it's just the last minute touches. I took the last little bit of serum that was on my hands and just spread that on top just to give it a little bit of shine. And now I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and fluff and get rid of some of the harsher lines. Although it does look pretty darn good if I say so myself. But yes, just doing last minute touches. And now for my edges, I'm just going to take some gel and my toothbrush and just start lightly laying my edges. Since this is more of a clean look, I did want my edges to be very nice, you know, nothing too messy at all. I wanted it to be very sleek. So yeah. This right here is the final product. Came out very, very pretty, and I really, really do love it. It's super cute.
Okay, y'all, and this is my final result from my twist out. I did not do much fluffing at all, but this is how it looks. It looks pretty darn good. I really do like it.
So you all enjoyed this video and you want more twist out videos and more videos, you know, or just more videos of me using GROVEDA hair solutions, please give this video a big thumbs up. comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see y'all in my next video. Bye.